In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace clips on your videos in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So there are two ways you can replace clips on your videos. Now for this, the method used to replace images is different from the one used to replace videos. For instance, I want to replace this image with this image. To do this is quite simple. Just go to your keyboard and press down alternate key and then hold and drag your image to the one that you want to replace. And now if you leave it, you can see the image has been replaced, and here we go. However, should you want to replace a video with a video clip, then go ahead again, press on alternate and then go ahead and hold down and click on the video that you want to replace with and drag it to the video that you want to replace it with, then leave it at that. But now sometimes the video you have replaced with might be long. To go ahead and adjust it or get the particular snapshot you want to use, then head over to this icon here and then click on it, and this will go ahead and highlight the video. So move through the video and identify the part you want to use. For instance, I just want to use this portion, and then once you have identified it, you can play around.
It's made of time.
And then once you're satisfied, go ahead and click on replace, and that will go ahead and replace it without increasing the length or reducing the length of that particular portion. So that's how you can replace clips on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.